The Krishna River Dispute once again stands as a point of contention between states of Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra and Karnataka. Telangana's demand for 71% of the Krishna basin water is based on the larger catchment area, or at least 50% until Krishna Water Disputes Tribunal 2 finalizes the water shares. This has further ignited the debate over how water should be distributed and used, particularly as regional demands for water grow. The conflict traces its roots to 1956 following the reorganization of states and was brought to the forefront with the formation of Krishna Water Disputes Tribunal in 1969. The initial tribunal was tasked with resolving interstate water dispute, bypassing the regular court procedures and making binding decisions on how Krishna water should be divided. KWDT 1 allocated water among Maharashtra, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh based on factors like geographical location, existing use patterns and projections for future water needs. However, as time passed, the growing demands for water led to the formation of KWDT 2 in 2004 with the goal of reassessing the allocations based on changed circumstances. The 2010 report of KWDT2 allocated water to the states based on 65% dependability rate, with Maharashtra receiving 81 TMC, Karnataka 177 TMC and Andhra Pradesh 190 TMC. However, when Telangana was formed in 2014, this allocation became a major issue. As a successor state to Andhra Pradesh, Telangana argued that it should be allocated a larger share of water, citing its larger catchment area and the need for more water to meet its development demands. Despite the tribunal's ruling, both Andhra Pradesh and Telangana have been locked in legal battles, questioning the fairness of water distribution. The legal challenges have resulted in delays in reaching a final resolution, as both states continue to seek favorable outcome from the courts. One of the central flashpoints in this dispute is Sri Shailam Reservoir, which serves as a crucial resource for both Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Telangana has increased its use of reservoir for power generation, which has drawn objections from Andhra Pradesh, as the latter claims it is being deprived of water needed for irrigation. Adding to this complexity of the situation is the diversion of water from Godavari River into Krishna Basin. This diversion, intended to alleviate water scarcity in the region, has sparked further tensions as both Andhra Pradesh and Telangana have expressed concerns about how this will affect the future water allocations. The Godavari Krishna Link project, which aims to balance water distribution between two basins, has raised concerns over potential reductions in water availability, further exacerbating the water sharing conflict. The union government has intervened by attempting to revise the terms of reference of KWDT2 with the intention of addressing the development needs of both Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. However, the central government's involvement has not brought an end to the dispute, as legal challenges from both states continue to complicate the situation. Despite these efforts, a clear resolution remains elusive and the dispute remains unresolved. The competition for water will only escalate as agricultural, industrial and municipal demands increase. Environment impacts are already evident, with changes in water availability affecting the river's ecosystem, agriculture and power generation. The long-term consequence of the dispute could have wider effects on all the involved states. The ongoing litigation and regional tensions make a resolution seem distant, but ultimately the decision will require cooperation and dialogue between the states involved, with consideration for the broader implications on water resource management across the country.